Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is acceptance. It's time to accept. What do you need to accept? That you're a new being. You've outgrown people, places, things, hobbies, jobs. Maybe you have new loves, maybe things that you enjoy to do, new foods, new beverages. You've upgraded yourself from the old self to something new. Just like reptiles, that they shed their skin, they can't go back into the old skin because they've outgrown it. They're way bigger than they ever thought they could be. You have to keep on moving forward. Accept the things that you can't change. Maybe it's something that you like to accomplish today that you can't change. It's not, maybe today's not today, but maybe tomorrow is. Maybe next week is. Do what you can do today and don't fight the energy of trying to force your way. If it happens, go full-fledged, sprint ahead and make sure you get done what your heart desire is. But if you have any trouble, don't force it, because today may not be today. Accept that and live to fight another day and try another day. And on the right day, everything will flow according to plan. I accept every step that life is presenting me without resistance. I work with what I have, what I'm given. I try to find out what the universe is trying to teach me so I can grow stronger. Thus, I can receive more blessings. Understanding without resistance, I advance in my freedom and my path to light. You're being taught, you're being grown, and you're being stronger. You're becoming stronger so you can receive more. Blessings come with their own weight, and it'll feel like a feather. Even though you'll have a plethora, a huge blessing coming down to you, it'll feel like a feather, rain, sleet, or snow. Instead of a ball and chain, you'll maintain your life, and it'll feel like you're living and not surviving. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.